You might think your car is an investment, but in reality, some cars lose value faster than a melting ice cube in the sun. Today on Car Care Nest, we're exposing 10 cars that'll be practically worthless by 2026. Whether it's poor reliability, high repair costs, or outdated tech, these are the models you should stay far away from. Let's get started before your hard-earned money goes up in smoke. Number 10. Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima has fallen from grace. Once known for reliability, the modern Altima has been plagued by CVT transmission issues, cheap interior quality, and poor resale value. The CVT repairs alone can cost over $4,000, which instantly kills its value in the used market. Add in its lackluster driving dynamics and dated tech compared to competitors like the Honda Accord, and you've got a sedan that's just not worth it. By 2026, resale predictions show some models could lose over 60% of their original value. If you're thinking long-term, skip the Altima and look for something that won't drain your wallet every 30,000 miles. Number 9. Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee may have off-road looks, but it's all show and no-go when it comes to dependability. Owners report constant transmission and electrical failures, not to mention weak engines that burn oil faster than you can refill it. RepairPal ranks it near the bottom for reliability, and Consumer Reports gives it consistently poor marks. Combine that with Jeep's historically poor resale value, and by 2026, the Cherokee will be one of the biggest depreciators in its class, losing over 65% of its value in 5 years. Simply put, it's a money pit disguised as an SUV. Number 8. Ford Ecosport. The Ford Ecosport was supposed to be Ford's compact SUV success story, but it turned out to be a disappointment. With underpowered engines, awkward design, and cramped interiors, it never gained a strong following. Plus, Ford has officially discontinued it in North America, which means parts and service availability will soon become a nightmare. As a result, used values are expected to plummet rapidly. By 2026, expect this subcompact SUV to be nearly worthless on the used market, even with low miles. It's a clear example of a car that simply couldn't compete and is best avoided altogether. Number 7. Mitsubishi Mirage. The Mirage is one of the cheapest cars you can buy new, and unfortunately, one of the cheapest feeling too. Its tiny engine struggles to keep up with highway traffic. The interior feels like it's made of recycled plastic bottles, and safety ratings are below average. While fuel economy is decent, everything else screams budget gone wrong. Because of its poor performance, resale values plummet fast, often losing half its value in just 2 years. By 2026, you'll have a tough time giving one away. The Mirage might seem economical, but it's false economy at its finest. Number 6. Chevrolet Malibu. Chevy's midsize Malibu is facing extinction. Sales have dropped drastically, and it's no secret that GM is shifting away from sedans entirely. The Malibu's unrefined transmission, average build quality, and lack of innovation make it a tough sell in 2025. Its depreciation rate is brutal, typically around 60% within 5 years, and once production ends, the resale value will nosedive even further. If you're looking for a sedan that holds its value, you're far better off with a Camry or Accord. The Malibu's time has come and gone, and by 2026, its value will reflect that. Number 5. Infiniti Q50. Luxury should age gracefully, but not the Infiniti Q50. Despite its powerful engine options, the Q50 suffers from outdated tech, poor fuel economy, and interior quality that no longer feels premium. Reliability has been shaky, and depreciation is massive, one of the worst in the luxury segment. Many owners report electronic glitches and suspension issues that cost thousands to fix. With newer luxury sedans offering hybrid efficiency and better interiors, the Q50 simply can't keep up. By 2026, this so-called luxury car could lose up to 70% of its original value, making it a very bad investment. Number 4. Chrysler 300. The Chrysler 300 may look bold and muscular, but underneath, it's a dinosaur. The design hasn't changed much in over a decade, and it's finally being discontinued. That means spare parts and support will fade fast, while depreciation skyrockets. It's also infamous for electrical and transmission issues, both expensive to fix. By 2026, expect used 300s to flood the market, driving values down even further. It's a classic case of a car that aged poorly, and despite its presence on the road, it's destined for financial disaster if you buy one today. Number 3. Jaguar XF. Jaguar's reputation for beauty and luxury can't save the XF from its reality. It's notoriously unreliable. Owners complain about engine faults, electronic gremlins, and suspension nightmares that appear before 60,000 miles. Repairs are not only frequent, but also expensive, with parts costing far more than their German counterparts. Resale value, practically non-existent after a few years. Even die-hard Jaguar fans admit the XF has become a financial liability. By 2026, the XF will be one of the least desirable used luxury sedans out there. A tragic fall from grace for a once celebrated brand. Number 2. Alfa Romeo Giulia. The Alfa Romeo Giulia is a driving enthusiast's dream when it works. Unfortunately, it spends too much time in the shop. The Giulia's Italian charm is overshadowed by constant reliability issues, from engine sensors to gearbox malfunctions. Depreciation is brutal because buyers know it's risky. Within just 3 years, it can lose up to 65% of its value, and by 2026, it'll be almost worthless compared to competitors. Unless you enjoy gambling with expensive repairs, steer clear of this one. Its beauty is undeniable, but so is its unreliability. Number 1. Tesla Model S, early years. Now this might surprise you, but early Model S cars are rapidly losing value. Why? Because EV tech is evolving at lightning speed. Older Teslas have battery degradation issues, limited range, outdated software, and massive repair costs. Replacing a battery can cost $15,000 or more, making older units financial disasters. As newer models arrive with better range and features, early Teslas will tank in value by 2026. Unless you're getting one for dirt cheap, it's not worth it. The future may be electric, but the past, not so much. And there you have it. The 10 cars that'll be nearly worthless by 2026. If you want to protect your investment, do your research and stay away from these models. Which car on this list surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Car Care Nest, and tap the bell icon so you never miss another insider warning about cars and maintenance.